Hello and welcome to this brief tutorial on how to add a multiple choice question to a lesson or quiz in Hello PLATO. So I logged in at helloplato.io by clicking login and entering my email address and password. Now I have arrived at my teacher dashboard and I want to work on this lesson that I have in progress about bowerbirds. So I'm going to click to open that. And you can see I've begun. I have some text and a video and a true-false question. And I want to add my multiple choice question. So I put it into edit mode and I select add question, multiple choice. So then I can just add my question. You do have to have 5 potential responses here. We will make that flexible in future versions, but for now you need 5. So things like all of the above and none of the above can be helpful if you can't think of, 4 or 5 answers. So we're going to say a few things that bowerbirds may or may not do. And here is the answer. Well, that's pretty close. Let's say something that we know they definitely don't do. Okay, so we know that they dance. I've selected one correct answer. You want to make sure you do select one or it will create errors, or that you don't select more than one, which will also create errors. This is a single response type of multiple choice question. Again, we're going to be adding more flexibility in upcoming versions, but for now, just select one. And then you can add some custom feedback. You don't have to. PLATO will tell the student the correct answer and whether they got it correct or not, even if you don't add feedback. But feedback allows you to be specific and provide maybe a resource like a link. And you enter the link there. I'm not going to do that for all of these. For here, you could add something fun, like an emoji. There we go. And you even can add feedback in some places and not others. So we're just going to save. And you can see, there we go. If we want to make changes, then we can edit and say, you know what, I really don't want to leave it like this. What I want to do is have this nice message in all of these. So I'm going to do that. There we go. Save. And that's how you do it. You have now added a multiple choice question with the response selected to your Hello PLATO course.